Some students ask me, sir, it is very difficult to remember the trigonometric table. But listen to me, it is very easy and very simple to remember it. How can you remember it? Try to know it. First, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide each number by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Then simplify it. 0 by 4 is equal to 0. Then 1 by 4, 2 by 4, you can write 1 by 2. Then 3 by 4, 4 by 4 equal to 1. Then take the root over of each number. Root over of this, root over of this, root over of this, root over of this, and root over of this. Root over of 0, 0. Root over of 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Root over of 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Root over of 3 by 4, root 3 by 2. Root over of 1, 1. Now, write this value in the signed row. Sin 0 equal to 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. Then write this value in the reverse order. You will get the value of cos theta. That means cos 0 equal to 1, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. We wrote this value in the reverse order. So cos row is completed. Then tan theta. You know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So divide sin value with cos value, we will get tan value. 0 by 1, 0 by something equal to 0, 0 by 1 equal to 0. Then 1 by 2 divide root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 divide root 3 by 2 or multiply reciprocal 2 by root 3. Now 1 by root 3. Then tan 45, 1 by root 2 divide 1 by root 2, which is 1. Tan 60, root 3 by 2 divide 1 by 2 or multiply reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2 by 1, which is root 3. Tan 90, 1 by 0. 1 by 0. When the divisor is 0, so it is meaningless. So it cannot be defined. So write it not defined. Then cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So write the reciprocal value of sin theta. You will get value of cosec theta. Reciprocal of 0 not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2, 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1, 1. Finish cosec theta. And sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So write the reciprocal value of cos theta, you will get value of sec theta. Reciprocal of 1, 1. reciprocal of root 3 by 2 equal to 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 equal to root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 only 2. Reciprocal of 0 not defined. Like this, cos theta, reciprocal of tan theta. So 0, reciprocal of 0 not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3, reciprocal of 1, 1, reciprocal of root 3, 1 by root 3. When not defined, reciprocal is 0. Finish. Now the trigonometric table is completed. So remember it easily. Thank you for watching it.